are new to investing, or you need an investment that will give you peace of mind and still make you good money, this is a video for you. Whether you have 1 million naira like this comment from a previous video, or you have 500k, or you have less, or you have 50 million, this will still work for you. This is a formula I will show you in this video. I will do it in 2 parts. First, invest everything in one type of investment, and secondly, split the money into 2 parts. That is 2 different investments. I will show you both ways. The keyword is low risk and nice returns. Ready to make some investment? Let's get started. Welcome to the channel where we make money moves. On this community, we are all about the money, investing, passive income, side hustle. Oh my God, did you hear? This is an award-winning community. We won another award over the weekend. Let me show you. So this came in from over the weekend. Financial Education Champion of the Year. Your votes counted. Congrats to us. Award-winning community. Are you happy for us? Or I do just one thing. Could you please like this video? Trust me, you are going to love what I'm going to tell you. Now just like the video. Have you done that? Thank you. Okay, how would I invest 1 million as a beginner? The first investment I would do with 1 million is to lock the whole funds on a fintech platform, reliable ones. There's so many of them. We have Piggyvest, we have Optimus, we have Cowrywise. But for the purpose of this video, we'll be using Optimus by AfriInvest. At the moment, you can earn as high as 20% on Optimus. Assuming you lock 1 million naira on Optimus for 1 year, that is like, for our 20%, that is 200k. Additional 200k on your money. Wallahi talai, it will not be better for you know that says investment is not good. How much will your bank pay you? Nothing, no shishi, nothing. So what are the pros of investing with on Optimus? Number one, the rates are very competitive. For example, now the savings bond is about 18% from the last one. I made a video on that. It will pay you like 18%, but this one will pay you like 20%. So rates are competitive. Number two, no tax, no charges. Your interest is your own, no deduction. Number three is low effort. It's something you can do stresslessly from your house, from your phone, without talking to anybody. Again, it is low risk because the interest is fixed, right? So far the platform is reliable, the interest is fixed. If they tell you it's 200k you are making, at the end of the day, it's 200k you are getting. Unlike maybe stocks that could go up and down. Finally, you can terminate anytime, right? Yes, you want to lock for 1 year, but if along the line something happens, you can just go to your app and terminate. The only thing is that 200k you are going to make, they will take some penalty from it. I think about 30%. So what's the con of investing on fintech platforms? I think it has to do with the platform, you know, going with platforms that are not credible. That's why there are a few credible ones here in Nigeria. Just make sure that the one you are going for, they are owned by credible people. For instance, Optimus by AfriInvest is owned by an investment bank. And as an investment banker myself, I feel a bit more comfortable on the platform, right? So the level of confidence I will have in putting money there is high. Unlike some platforms maybe that are just new, you don't know the owners or something, you put your money, something can happen. I'll be honest with you, something can happen. So stick to the reliable ones. I have a video I'm currently working on. Like I shared my screen on that video and show you step by step different investments you can make on Optimus, for example. That video, just be on the lookout for it. And the last video I just posted is about how you can invest stock on Optimus. So, God, on this community, anything you want, just tell me, I'm going to record it for you. So a video on how to invest in US stock from Optimus, that's the last video I posted. Go check it out. I will leave the description to the video in the comments. Yeah, that's the first way I will invest 1 million naira to lock it on Optimus. If you want to sign up on Optimus, I'm going to leave the correct link on the description because I think there are so many Optimus on Play Store. This one is Optimus by AfriInvest. I will leave the link on description. The second way I would invest 1 million is to split the money 50-50, right? Please, have you liked this video? Thank you so much. Okay, I will put 50%, which is 500k. I will lock it on Optimus, like I have already explained how. And then the remaining 50%, which is another 500k, I would invest it in ETFs, exchange traded funds. What's ETF? It's like a pool of different stock. Instead of you to invest in individual stock, like say you want to invest in Apple, Amazon, you can invest in an ETF that has so many stock inside. For example, there is the one we call VTI. VTI is an ETF that tracks all the stocks in the US. So if you invest in the ETF called VTI, you are getting a tiny stake in all the US stock. Isn't that amazing? Look at you investing in all the US stocks. That's what happens with ETFs. Number one, the risk level is low because there is no way all those stock we mess up the same time, right? So the risk level is low, and even the charges is also lower because some of them are passively managed. Yeah, I love ETF investing. It is good for newcomers, it is good for low risk investors, and the rates are really attractive. For instance, this VTI last year the returns is like 26.05%. that is how much you would make. Have you invested in VTI in the previous year? VTI is not the only investment. You have VGT, VOO, HAC, QQQ. There are so many of them. but we are going to use VTI as example in this video. So yeah, the remaining 500k, I would invest it in VTI. So let's assume using last year's rate, which is 26.05%, I invest in VTI. That means by the end of the year, I would have made 130,250, right? That is the interest I would have made from 500k. At the end of the year, that is like 630,250. See, free money you made from doing nothing, from just investing in ETF. Stop leaving your money idle in the bank. Please stop it. And if you want to learn how to invest in ETF, check the last video I mentioned of investing in stock. It has the same way you invest in stock is the same way you invest in ETF. Just go to the app you use, search for VTI. After this video, go and watch that video to watch step by step how you could do this. I'm going to leave the link in the description. So that is it, simple and sweet. 1 million, we've divided it into two. 500k, lock it on a platform like Optimus. 500k, invest it in an ETF like VTI. At the end of the year, you are getting 600k in total from the one on Optimus. You are getting 630,250 from the one in ETF, assuming the rate last year, making a total of 1,230,000 naira from 1 million. Your mates that left their money in the bank because they're not a member of this community, their money will still be in the bank. 1 million. In fact, it will even be up to 1 million again, because by now bank charges, maintenance, this one, that one must have reduced the money. That's if they have not even spent it, right? But now see all the information you are getting from being a part of this investor community. Please, if you have not subscribed to this channel by now, what are you waiting for? I mean, don't like good things. My dear, this is how the rich make their money. Imagine that instead of 1 million, it is 5 million, it is 10 million. See, as an investment banker that works with the top 1%, I have clients that do 9 figures investing. Like when the interest hits like this, and they started like this, small, from 10,000, from 100,000, and this formula I just gave you, you can use it for any amount. Okay, maybe you don't have 1 million, you have 100k. Fine, the same thing, divide it, 50k here, 50k here, you have 10 million. The same thing, divide this, 5 million here, 5 million here. Everybody is getting the same interest rate. The only thing is that big fish, bigger returns, small fish, smaller returns. But the same 20% that someone that has 5k will get is the same 20% that someone that has 20 million will get. In fact, some of this investment, these are things we teach our students in the Wealth Builders Academy, which is a 3-week wealth school. See, you should be a part of that class, right? For 3 weeks, we will hold your hand and guide you through different investments, commercial papers, savings bond, fixed income, how to do your personal income statement, budgeting. I'm going to leave the link to the academy in the description. The next course is registering. Do not miss it. I hope this short video has been helpful to the community member that asked the question, and to you that now knows exactly where to put your money if you are a beginner in investing. There's so many investment options for you: savings bond, treasury bills. I have done videos on all of this. Just check my channel, go to the playlist investing for beginners. So many investment options for you. And like I said, in the next video I will show you how the different options on Optimus, and then the one on stock I've already posted it. I'll still leave the link on the description. Please like this video if you've not. Let me see you on that video. Award-winning investor community. Thank you so much for being a part of this community.